Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to the Golden Blossom channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to attract money using cinnamon, how to attract prosperity. So you guys already know cinnamon is a magnet for wealth. So if you don't want to lack money in your wallet, this video is for you. Please watch until the end and see how you're going to use cinnamon and attract money, abundance and prosperity. All right, so you guys already know cinnamon sends away the evil spirits. It attracts positive energy, and you can use cinnamon for manifestation. So if you believe in visualizing and manifestation, this video is for you. Stop chasing money, but let the money chase you. Okay, yes, let the money chase you. And when I talk about cinnamon, you know, it's comforting, it's warm, it's safe, it's homey, it's good. It's a nice scent for everyone to put in the house, so you have nothing to worry about this technique. Okay, you have nothing to worry about this ratio. Anyone can do it, a man or a woman, in case your goal is to attract and draw money. Okay, cinnamon is also a protective shield. You can burn cinnamon and put up in your doors or windows these cinnamon sticks, because it sends away the evil eye. It cleanses your house, so you have nothing to worry about, because you can even use it as your perfume. Okay, so these are the cinnamons that I managed to get, and you can also get salt, because salt is used for cleansing. This is how you are going to perform this ratio. And you are going to also need a wallet. Yes, if you don't have a wallet, you are going to need the bag that you normally walk with. Not even your bag, anything. So if you have a wallet, you are going to use it. For men and for ladies, you always have your handbag or your wallet or anything. And for the salt, if you don't have the normal salt, you can use sea salt. Anything, as long as it's salt, it's good to use. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to get only 2 or 1 stick of cinnamon. We don't need too much, because here I put too much just to show you guys, but you don't need too much cinnamon sticks. And some people know the rolls, the cinnamon rolls. All right, these are the same. Yeah, but this one is kind comfy and just tiny. You know, it's not that big as a cinnamon roll, but it's cinnamon. So you're just going to get only 1 or 2 and just cleanse it with the salt, because the reason why we use salt is that salt cleanses and it takes away all the bad and the negative, the bad energy. So on these cinnamon sticks, so only 2 or 1 is enough, and you're just going to split salt around it, because salt is just cleansing and taking away everything, like I told you guys. So now take a look, concentrate when you are doing this. You are not just going to come from anywhere and start doing this ratio. No, you need to be clean and good enough. You need to believe in what you are doing, and yes, it's going to work for you. So if you don't have faith, it's not going to work for you. Yes, you have to concentrate if you need this to work for you. Okay, and you have to be in a good set of mind and ready to manifest and visualize and see how money is going to come into your wallet. Yes, once you do this, you will see money flowing. You will see money drawing into your wallet, because I believe by law of attraction, and I believe in manifestation, because who doesn't believe in manifestation? Because once you say that I'll get this and I attract this, something is going to come to you. But once you don't say or you don't believe it, you won't see anything. I promise. Just trust me. Okay, so you're just going to split salt, and as you are saying that, you attract wealth, you attract money, you attract abundance, you attract prosperity. This is going to come to you. Okay, And after that, you are going to put this into your wallet. But before that, you are going to need some paper note. Yes, I prefer using paper note. And for the other cinnamon that is not the grated one, the one in powder form, if you have coins, you can use that one. If you have also a paper note, you can use that one. But this cinnamon stick is better when you have a knot. All right, so you are just going to roll your money as you are putting. Just fold the money into your way, so let the money come to you. As you are folding this money, you have to say some little words. Okay, let me repeat it again. Just get the paper note just like this and put the cinnamon sticks as you are saying, I attract money. Let money flow in my wallet. You will see the difference. After this, you will see that money will never get out your wallet. So you will always have to put this note into your wallet, and you can change it after each month. Please do not remove this cinnamon. You can just change it and always leave that money there, because you will find that your wallet is never empty. Every time there is money into your wallet. This works so fast. It's a money drawer. And after doing this ratio, you will notice that you are attractive. Okay, there is people who are just being ignored, but you can be ignored at maybe your workplace or anywhere, or you can be ignored by your friends, and there is nothing wrong with you. You're just a good person, but you really don't know why you're always ignored. This cinnamon is great. No one will ever ignore you, because when you smell it, have you smelled cinnamon? It's comfy. Everyone wants to smell that smell. It's that scent. It smells real good. So yeah, you will see that things are going to change into your life. Just these 2 cinnamon sticks. Like, I believe in law of manifesting, and I believe in the law of attraction, and once I say I want to attract this, it's going to come to me. Okay, so for those people who have big bags, big handbags, the women, you can put this as well. You can use that cinnamon as well and put it in the tiny small bags inside your big bag. Yeah, and you can go with your bag around everywhere. You can carry your bag and do everything with that cinnamon stick. And please never get it out unless you are changing it or doing anything. Okay, money will never get out of your wallet once you are done with this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe. Let me know your comments. Let me know your opinions on this, and see you in my next video. Bye.